Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to fix CarPlay not working on your iPhone. So first is restart your iPhone and your car. So this can often fix minor software glitches. So far, restart your device, just simply tap on settings, and here you can appear on the screen general option. Now you can see many options, just scroll down and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be restart and your problem will be fixed. So if this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is make sure that CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone. So go to settings. Here you can see general option, just tap on it and you can see CarPlay, just simply tap on it. Here you can see if your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to start CarPlay setup. So firstly, you can add new car to pair your car with your iPhone and fix your problem. If this is not working, then we move to another is make sure that Siri is turned on. Siri is required for CarPlay to work. So go to settings. Here you can see Siri and search, just simply tap on it. Here you can see listen for Siri, just simply turn it on and fix your problem. Now you can see choose the voice and select a Siri voice.
Hi.
Next and continue and go back. If this is not working, then we make sure that check your internet connection. If you are using a wired connection, make sure that your USB cable is properly plugged into your iPhone and your car. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on your iPhone. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see Wi-Fi. You can see it's turned on, just simply turn it off and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on. Go back. Here you can see airplane mode, just simply turn it on and turn it off to fix your connection. If this is not working, then we move to another is update your iPhone software. Apple releases software updates regularly to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to settings. Here you can see general. Now you can see software update, just simply tap on it. Here you can see iOS 17.0.2 is up to date. If you have any pending update, just simply tap on download and install to install your update. So guys, if this is not working, then you reset your network settings. So simply go to settings. Here you can see general. Now you can scroll down and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone, just simply tap on it. Here you can see reset and you can see reset network settings, just simply tap on it. Enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, you can pop up reset network settings, just simply tap on it to reset network settings and fix your problem. If this is not working, then forget your car in CarPlay. This will reset your CarPlay connection and may fix any issues. Go to settings, go to general, CarPlay and tap forget this car, then pair your car with your iPhone to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.